Hello, my name is Angie Tiza. In this video, we'll provide you with an overview of the WebDAV functionality for Document and Policy Manager. WebDAV is a web-based tool which allows Document and Policy Manager users to modify documents directly on the ComplyTrack server. Before switching on the WebDAV functionality, editing a document in Document and Policy Manager involves downloading the current version and uploading the edited version to the Document Manager when changes are made to the document. Using WebDAV, or Web-Based Document Authoring and Versioning, enables Document and Policy Manager users to bypass the uploading and downloading of external documents, allowing direct modification of the files that exist on the ComplyTrack server. This process saves on the amount of time needed to upload and update documents. In order to enable the WebDAV functionality on your site, you will need to have a ComplyTrack Global Administrator access the Administration menu and select Application Settings. Next, scroll down and select the box next to Enable Document WebDAV. Scroll down and select Save. Once you have completed this step, your system will now utilize the WebDAV functionality. Now that you have enabled WebDAV under the Administration menu, you can create a new document using the external editor and following the steps as shown in the Document and Policy Manager Tour video. In this example, I have created a new document, Internet Use Policy. The first step is to scroll down and upload the new document into ComplyTrack. Click Browse, locate the document, and then select Upload New Version. The next step is to check in the document and scroll down. At this point, when an editor is ready to review and make changes to the document using WebDAV, the first step is to check out the document. By checking out the document, an exclusive hold is put on the document so that only one editor can make changes to the document at a time. To edit the document, select Open Document with the document name. A warning message is displayed. Press OK to continue. The corresponding Microsoft Office application will open and load the document from the ComplyTrack server onto your local machine. Once the Office application is open, it will initially prompt you for your ComplyTrack credentials in order to ensure that you're a valid user and that you have access to the requested file. Enter your ComplyTrack credentials and click OK. After you make any changes needed, select the Save button in the top left-hand corner. You may notice that the Save icon and the name of the file looks a little bit different using WebDAV. Each time the document is saved, the ComplyTrack database is updated. Optionally, if you want to copy the latest version of the document from the ComplyTrack database to your workstation, you can do that by pressing Save a Local Copy. You will be asked to either open or save the file. If you decide to open the file, be aware that changes you make to this file will not be saved to the ComplyTrack database. Those changes will only be saved to the local copy on your workstation. However, it is possible to upload the changes made to the local copy to the ComplyTrack database by pressing the Browse and Upload New Version like you did in the beginning. This will upload a new version of the document to ComplyTrack. Finally, once you have finished editing the current document and have saved it, you must then release the exclusive lock to make the document available to other ComplyTrack users by pressing the Check-in button. Each time the Check-in button is pressed, the revision field on the document information window is incremented by 1 and an entry is made into the revision history table displayed in the external document details window. Once the document has been checked in, it can be reviewed by other editors or published. This concludes the WebDAV overview for Document and Policy Manager. Thank you for your time.